Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about how to screen mirror iPhone to Mac without any cable. So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, here is my iPhone and here is my Mac. So how can I possible? First of all, open setting app on your Mac and here is tap on general, tap on AirPlay and continuity, and here is auto receiver is make sure is turn on. So if is turn off, simply turn on and tap on here and select the specific I suggest you can add everyone. Simply tap on use password. Now enter password you have created on Mac and tap on modify setting and simply tap on allow everyone. So guys, your settings complete. Open setting on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on general and scroll down and tap on AirPlay and continuity and scroll down AirPlay receiver is make sure it's turn on. So simply open control center by this, sorry, and here screen mirroring. Here you can see Apple MacBook is showing. Simply tap on it. When you tap on it, your iPhone with your Mac is showing notification. Simply accept here and screen mirroring is successful. So you can use any application on your iPhone is showing you on your Mac. You can play YouTube videos and open any song and any kind of video. So guys, you can use iPhone screen mirroring with your Mac by this method. You can see. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.